Take a ride in the 2023 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior and excellent off-road capability and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, heated mirrors, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, tires front all season, tires rear all season, privacy glass, rear wheel drive. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.